hip hinge and Romanian deadlift with weights. Standing with the weights in the hands gently resting against the thighs. Unlock the knees and then fold at the hips, allowing the torso to come forwards. The spine stays neutral throughout as the knees unlock and then the hips flex, keeping the movement small to start with and then deepening the hip flexion to come into the full Romanian deadlift. This is an important movement to control that hip flexion whilst maintaining the torso in a nice straight line.